Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are trying out a tiny model that I got off Amazon. They have a ton of these, and they're super cute. They have models like tiny noodle shops, tiny cake shops, and even a magic shop. You just need a glue gun, mat, or paper to protect your table. If you hit your table, don't protect it. You do you. I've done these before, and they are my go-to when my parents tell me that I've maxed out my Roblox and YouTube time. We've all been there. This box here is a model of a corner garden. The box comes with all the tools you need. I like using my own sharper scissors, but that's just my preference. First step, unbox everything and make sure it's all there. This can take a minute.
One eternity later.
This next part is just reviewing and following the instructions. Then you can start assembling. Don't freak out, kitty. The instructions are a bit long and terrifying, but just follow step by step and you'll get there.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Your parents may not want you to use the glue gun, but it does dry immediately and speeds up the process. Just be careful about burning yourself with the glue gun. I'm a bit accident prone, as you will see throughout this video, but for most of you, this will be painless. Dang it! Can you imagine how good an octopus would be at crafting? That's a weird thought. With these models, I start with the base and build up. Ouchie! Son of a... Let's speed things up, shall we? The model also comes with wallpaper, flooring, signage, and so many more awesome details specific to the model. I just want to slow us back down again to admire how cute these flowers are. I mean, they're just adorable, and they may look hard to make, but they're not, I promise. For the most part, it's just rolling up tiny pieces of paper and gluing them in place. Ouchie!
So tiny! I can't wait to knock it off of a tiny shelf!
No. This is starting to come together. These models do have more items than what you need. At least that's what I tell myself. So don't worry if you have some stuff left over. Ooh, ramen break.
Is that catnip?
Seriously, kitty?
Oh my, that's quite the shrubbery.
Let's trim that back a bit.
Just a little off the top.
And voila, your corner garden.
It turned out to be super cute. Is it perfect? No, but it was super fun to make, and I recommend you give it a try.
Oh, it is so sweet! Can I knock it off the shelf now?
Bruh, enough of the shelf.
I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, like and subscribe. Have the best day.